The IKEA kitchen planner basically put my kitchen together for me. Can we get some green in there?
What I can offer you is our installation service. So they will build and install for you.
Oh, I love it. I'm totally gonna win this. Oh,
Feast your eyes.
wow, we got a lot of boxes here.
Well, I don't want you to see everything. You know, the winning kitchen must stay a bit of a surprise.
Oh, sure, the winning kitchen, please. I mean, you're gonna be spending hours and hours assembling.
But this is my favorite part, putting the kitchen together. We've got the plan, I got the pieces. It's not my first IKEA kitchen. In fact, I think I have everything set up right where I need it.
Oh yeah, no, I can imagine. You're gonna have some sore hands after this.
Are you kidding me?
Well, you know what's really nice is that after days of planning,
Yes.
it's finally being executed. We can
Yes.
see it come to life.
What's going on in there? You're getting your stuff delivered still? What is this?
This is a genius decision. That's what this is.
Who's this guy?
This is IKEA's kitchen installation service. As soon as I was done designing my kitchen, I booked the appointment.
I thought we were building our own kitchens.
We're designing our own kitchens. It didn't say building. Time is money when you're building a kitchen. So it was a no-brainer for me to hire IKEA's kitchen installation service. And now look, I have my base cabinets in, my uppers are going in, my island will go in, and I get to spend the remaining time outfitting and accessorizing and doing all that great stuff.
All right, I
Okay.
see how you want to play.
Okay,
You
sure.
want to take some shortcuts?
Oh,
that's fine.
no.
You know the story of the tortoise and the hare?
Yes.
You're the hare.
Oh.
I'm the tortoise. Let's
Okay.
remember how this finishes.
Okay, well, I'll see you on the finish line.
Yeah, I think I need to get started here. Good luck.
Good luck.
Build day one, I'm feeling like I have a strong start. I've taken my time, I'm putting in the sweat equity to make sure that I get my value. So the good news is whether it's the box, the drawers, the doors, it's all pretty intuitive. IKEA definitely makes it simple and easy to follow. But my recommendation is take it slow, double check everything. Good news is everything fits perfectly together. So now you start to see the door fronts, which are nice and protected. My traditional look, which is going to be superior over Debra's more modern look. I think for a lot of people, putting a kitchen together is intimidating. But if you have the right instructions and you follow them, it's actually a lot simpler than people think. The process of putting together these cabinets is very intuitive. Everything is logical, it makes sense, and it's simple. We've got enough room for the dishwasher. Beside the dishwasher, I'm thinking functionality, I'm thinking organization. That's how I'm being judged here. Some might say I'm playing it safe because I am playing it safe. I'm classic, it's traditional, it's value add. My kitchen has all the functionality that you need. It's gonna stand the test of time. Up top, I got cutlery, utensils. As the drawers get a little deeper, I got everyday dishware in here. Then bottom drawer for the big stuff. Bowls, serving platters, cutting boards. Bank of drawers for the win. I might look a little modest right now. I might be slightly behind Debra on the installation, but when I'm done, everyone's gonna love it.
This is looking so fabulous. You guys have done such an excellent job. Listen, Scott's an expert, okay? He's always been an expert. He knows what's gonna look good. But I know what's going to look exceptional. Mine's gonna be that next step above. The high gloss white cabinetry nails the modern design theme. Integrating the walnut into a wall of white cabinets really helps add an elevated design element. The walnut is then tied back to the island where we have 6 oversized drawers because your kitchen has to be functional. Then we have a wine fridge, which of course any entertainer would appreciate a wine fridge. 4 bar stools. We have mixed metals in this kitchen. We have a polished bar stool base, a brushed hardware, and a black faucet. You know, when you have white cabinetry, you can do bold things like that, make it very visually interesting. We have the sink cabinet, and to the left of the sink, we have a pull-out garbage, which is amazing. We're gonna have 2 of these inserts. Watching my kitchen come together, you know, it looks amazing. It's beautiful, and then it's functional. Watching a design become reality is one of my favorite things in the whole world. Let's just go.
Oh, Debra.
Hello.
Something here. Debra's cooktop arrived at my kitchen.
Oh, my cooktop.
I know, yes. Very excited. I thought I would be a good neighbor and deliver that.
Thank you so much.
Make sure all the parts are there.
Oh, the parts are here. Everything's here. All my integrated.
Is that a wine rack?
Enough. Stop it.
I like that.
Stop it. Get out. Get out.
Well, I'm
What's
still
going on over here?
working on things.
Oh, dear.
Step away from my gable panel.
Oh, my goodness. What's happening?
Nothing is happening in here. Yeah,
Ciao.
no problem.
Bye-bye.
Do not cross the gable panel.
Do not.
All right. Next time on the IKEA Kitchen Showroom Showdown, we have another challenge.
Ready, set, go.
Excuse me.
You know what? I got a
What?
problem here.
Houston, we got a problem over here.